Hello and welcome to this new video in which I will unbox and review the cheapest best drawing tablet for your PC or your mobile. I got it in the mail today and I will show you what's inside the box to see everything in action. Now let's unwrap this box. As you can see, it comes in a very tight box with double protection. The outer box is basically for protecting the inner cover, and once you open the box, you will see the white box that has the device. I did ask the seller to add double protection. Now, as you can see, this is our tablet and it comes in a very neat packaging. It's GAOMON and the model that I have is S620. Now you can buy other, and the main feature is that it has a battery-free graphic pen. You will see it in action, but this is the model that I have. They have other models as well. There are some models that have display, but I didn't want that model. This one is more convenient because I already have a display. This is like a thank you note. This is the warranty card, and this is a small user manual. You can download the driver from this website, gaomon.net/download, and you can find your language here to get the exact link. Now this is the tablet, as you can see. I will put it aside so that we can see other elements or components inside the box. Then we will go back to the tablet. Here we have pin heads for replacement. It has like 8 pin heads. So if you feel like your pen head is not working correctly, you can replace it for free, and this comes in the box without any additional cost. And the ring is used to disassemble the pen. This is basically a glove, a 2-fingers glove that will help you when you are writing. You can easily wear it like that. It comes in one size, and your 2 fingers, as you can see, will be in place. And when you place your hand in the tablet or on a surface, it will feel more comfortable to do that. Now here we have another user manual, and in this user manual, or let's say guide, you will find information about the pen, the tablet, and as you can see, these are the steps to replace the pen head. Now, in the right here, we have a USB cable. It's a very long USB cable, high quality, and it comes in a 90-degree angle, which will help you as it will cause less problems when it comes to the cable itself. And it's a very long cable, so you don't have to worry about the distance. We have other elements as well. These are 2 USB adapters for connecting a mobile phone. A normal USB and a Type-C. You can hook the tablet to your mobile phone to start drawing on your mobile screen, and they come in the box. Usually they cost like $5, but they have it already in the box with the tablet, which is very convenient and very professional move. This is the pen. It's a battery-free pen, and it feels really professional. I have an Apple Pencil, and this feels even more, let's say, higher quality. And when you are holding it in your hand, as you can see, it has a rubber at the bottom here, which helps with the pen not slipping out of your hand. This is a professional pen protection holder. And as you can see, the pen fits very well and it protects the pen from being broken when it falls down from your hand. As you can see, everything is in place. Now let's take a quick look at the tablet itself. As you can see, this is the drawing area. You can simply hold the pen and start drawing on these dots after connecting your tablet to your computer. Now, this is the drawing area, and here we have 4 pens that you can customize. Each of these pens can open an app like Chrome, screen recording app, a drawing app on your computer. So these are very helpful, and all that you need to do is simply hook the USB cable right here and connect the other end to your computer. Then you are good to go. This is the pen, and again it feels like a real pen in the hand, a very professional pen, and the design is great. So now let's talk about the software itself. First, you need to go to Google and write GAOMON, and the first result will be GAOMON.net. You need to click driver download to download the tablet driver. First, you need to select the model. Click here and select S620 and download the latest driver. As you can see, click the download button. It shouldn't take time. It's a very small driver, and once the driver finishes download, you need to unzip it, and we will use the pen to start writing directly on our computer, and you will see that in a minute. But we will use the driver to customize the writing experience and the tablet buttons. Now, usually the tablet will work out of the box. It's a plug and play device, so you don't have to download any drivers. But I'm downloading the driver because I want to customize the buttons, the 4 buttons, and if you want to customize the pressure sensitivity of the pen and other features, that would be a good place to start. Now click confirm, install. As you can see, click start now. Now let's hide these. As you can see, the app is right there at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you open the app, you will see the pen, and these are the 2 buttons on the pen. You can customize them. The first one is the mouse right click, and the second one is the E letter. Now you can replace it with a mouse key, you can replace it with a switch, you can replace it with a show and hide, action, or launching a program, or you can choose to have no functions at all. Now here you can enable Water Ink or Windows Ink, sorry. You can disable the nib, or you can enter the mouse mode. Click on the display or the pen tablet on the left side to customize the tablet itself. Now as you can see, these are the 4 pens or 4 buttons, sorry. Click on any of these buttons to customize it. Now if you clicked on this button, you can launch a program when the user clicks on that button. You can simply go and get your program directory or the installation location for your program and paste it here. You can also use the browse feature to choose a location. You can click here to launch another program. Let's say that we want to launch a screen recorder or the Paint software, or even Google Chrome, which is the web browser. It will be a really easy thing to do by simply heading to the chrome.exe. Now, when you click on the second pen on your tablet, you will see that it opened a Chrome window. Now, if you click again, it will open a new window, and so on. As you can see, as I click, new windows are appearing. Now you can choose to launch another program using the third button, like the Microsoft Whiteboard, but this is the main idea of using the 4 pins. Now, after configuring these 4 pins, you need to test out the actual tablet and see how it works. I usually write using the Windows Whiteboard software. This is basically the settings menu, as you can see, where you can get backup of your settings or import it. And this is the pressure test area where you can test the tablet pressure and the pen pressure and customize it. Now let's open up the Windows Whiteboard app. Let's create a new window and let's start writing. Now once you hold the pen, you will see that you can write directly out of the box. Here I'm writing in Arabic, and as you can see, it needs like a little bit of learning. Like you need to learn for 5 minutes before you know how to use the pen. But it's a very smooth pen, and you can draw anything with it. You can write anything, and it has a pressure sensitivity. That's why you see that some of these lines are, let's say, thin, and other lines are thick, because I'm pressing on the board. I usually use it to explain things to my students. As you can see, you can draw a circuit, and it's a very flexible pen. So drawing using this pen will make your life easier, and it costs almost nothing. Now, instead of writing using your mouse on these whiteboard applications, you can write using this tablet, and the link to purchase this tablet is in this video description. You can get it directly from there, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this experience. As you can see, I'm writing without looking to the board because it's a very easy thing to do. Some people might think that because they don't see a display, it will be hard for them to write things down, but that was not the case. As you can see, everything is moving smoothly without any issue. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm sure that this tablet will change how you react, or how you deliver, or how you draw on your computer. So make sure to check it out. The link is on the description. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.